welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be doing a toys review on this LED hoverball. I heard it can float and fly in the air. We're going to test that out today. Let's jump straight in. Simple way to open it, something like this. All this thing itself. And the instructions right here. And hold on, you can customize it? I never knew that. Alright, guessing we just turn this thing on. On switch is right. On switch is right here. Oh. Probably works good like at nighttime. It's probably why you can't see the lights that much, but okay. You have to take it like this to turn it on. So, oh my gosh! Just like so. Oh, ha. Alright, that's pretty cool. It kind of shakes in the air. See? Ah! No! Come back! Turns off when it hits something. Oh, I didn't even mean to turn it off. Go again. Oh. Oh, shoot. Alright, so we dropped this thing in the pool. It fell in the pool. And it surprisingly still works. This thing is crazy. Nobody said it was waterproof or anything, so I was like, you can play catch by yourself with this thing. It almost did it again. It works. Okay, that was scary. This thing has a mind of its own almost. I love this. This is great. It was pretty fun. And it's surprisingly waterproof. I did not know that. Yeah, I like this thing. And the fact that they give you stickers for this too, that's crazy. Look at the stickers. Have like minion faces and all that on there. Minion, Baymax, Pikachu. You have this thing be whatever you want. Oh, I accidentally turned it on. Do it again. Oh, alright. off by itself. Pretty sure the battery is kind of dying, but okay. Look at this thing. It's kind of like the internet icon or something. Alright, this was really fun. You could play that with like 1 or 2 people. You could kind of play catch or something. Maybe even 3 people if you could do that. But yeah, it's really fun. If you want to see more content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.